might just sit out here right now, but that's why the camera's shaking, because I am cold as hell. But I'm gonna make this quick. We're in Oregon. We're almost close to Eugene. We're like 20 miles away from Eugene. We stopped at a rest area. Nothing's wrong with the semis, but we're just checking up on them, making sure that the bolts haven't came loose from under there. We're retightening everything, and yeah. But these old men that are driving in these semis, Dad and the other semi driver, can't hold water like if it's Niagara Falls. They're holding, they can't hold water like nothing. So they have to go use the restroom every now and then. We're almost home. We're gonna stay. We rented a hotel room. We're gonna stay there for the night and then head out in the morning. 491 miles away to be exact. So yeah, let's get a good cold start going on. Beautiful. All right, gotta go fill up the tanks with diesel. My big tank is already filled up with diesel, so I gotta go fill them up the semis with diesel. So yeah, let's go do that. Be on a merry way. I'm already filling them up. The one thing I did learn about Washington is that their diesel is green. The diesel in California, it's white. So that's kind of weird. So let's see what color diesel these guys have over here in Oregon. It's true what they say online that they don't let you touch the gas pumps, but the diesel pumps, they let you touch it. They just have to start it up for you. But yeah, I'm doing my own diesel for right now. Yep, it's 100 gallons, so we're gonna be here for a while. Filling up my tank while they're filling my tank.